Sayonara.
Sayonara.
Bismillah, was eine Stimme.
Nan desu ka?
I love it. Can you repeat again? Can you? Oh shit, your voice is very beautiful. I love it.
Oh, thank you very much.
Hey, you from Germany?
Yes, we're from Germany.
Yes.
Actually,
Yes.
I'm from Indonesian but I'm living in Japanese right now.
Who?
Nice.
Where?
What? Sorry?
Japanese.
Yeah,
Japanese, where?
In
Oh, that's
Saitama.
cool.
Saitama. You know?
I don't know where is that,
I
but
know.
cool.
Saitama ist auch eine Serie. Wie heißt es? Saitama. It has... I forget.
Okay. Let's
I
talk with
don't
him.
forget.
Let's talk with him.
Forget. Huh?
Let's talk with him, okay?
Can you
He's
speak
Japanese.
Japanese?
No, just
no.
a bit. Because I'm watching anime, not anymore.
Okay, I want teach you in Japanese language. How are you in Japanese? Ogenki desu ka?
That's a lie. You're lying.
Oh,
Bye.
okay. Lain, dikatain lain anjir sialan.
Sama aqui. Magkahiya
Hey, can you say ara-ara?
Ara.
Again? Repeat. Oh, wow. Your voice is beautiful. I love it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey, listen me.
Ara. Yamete kudasai.
Oh,
Can
love
you
it. Oh my God.
can you rate my voice?
It was 10 out of 10.
Whoa, really?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Hey, where you from?
We are from Hungary.
Hungary. Oh, I know. Actually, I'm from Indonesian, but I'm living in Japanese right now. Yeah. Can you speak Japanese?
No,
No.
just from anime. So
Oh.
some words.
You're watching anime.
Yes.
Okay. You know Saitama in One Punch Man or Attack on Titan?
I know Attack on Titan,
Attack
but
on Titan.
I haven't finished it yet.
Oh, okay. Right. You know Naruto? You like?
Yes.
I think Naruto is most popular in the world.
Yes.
I think.
But it's good too, so.
Naruto, One Piece, or something maybe. Can you teach me in Hungary language? Can you teach me?
Szeretlek, imádnám.
How are you?
Szeretlek.
Huh? What?
Szeretlek.
Saraklak.
Yes, it means I love you.
I love you too. Because in Japanese, aishiteru. Or daisuki dayo.
Aishiteru.
Yeah, or daisuki dayo.
Daisuke da yo. I know this one.
ちょっと待って、大好きだよね。
Isa.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Hey, what's your name? Sorry, what's your name?
My name is Vivian.
Divian or?
My name is Daisy.
Oh, okay. My name is Sandy. Okay.
Sorry?
Sandy.
And me.
Yeah, Sandy in Indonesian. In Japanese, Hiru. Call me Hiru.
Hiru.
Yeah, Hiru. Okay.
It's a
Thank
beautiful
you
name.
so much. I think you're really humble. I saw you. You look so cute. Okay, thank you.
あらあら。なんで
Nej, det hade lätt kunnat vara Hugo.
Why? Why are you laughing? I think this is not funny.
Wait, can I film you? Okay, wait, can you say that and I will film you, please?
Oh, okay.
Go.
あらあら。どうしたのやめてください。
Hey, I saw you. You look so amazing and so cute. I love it. Hey, what's your name?
I am Ebba.
Wait, sorry. Can you repeat? What's your name?
Okay, wait.
Can you type your name in omegle chat? Eba.
Mm.
Oh, Eba.
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
What is your name?
My name is. Wait. I have two name. My name is Sandy in Indonesian. In Japanese, Hiru. Call me Hiru.
Okay.
Okay. You like anime?
Not
Oh, no.
really.
Okay.
Is it okay? I post it on my Insta or on my Snapchat story.
Oh, okay.
So everyone will see it. I have on Snapchat.
You have IG?
Yes, but I don't really.
あらあらさよならどうしたの
Kok suaranya kayak gitu sih?
なんで
Lucu anjing.
私の名前はチケデ様よろしくお願いします
Itu serius gak sih? Anehnya kok suaranya bisa kayak gitu tadi.
Aku voice actor. Pengisi suara.
Oh.
Ya di Indonesia, sama di Malaysia.
عمل علينا سكيب اليوم. هاي.
あらあらなんでもないよ坊やなんでってなんだよ
Say daddy.
デディ
You know, やめてください。
Say fuck me daddy. Fuck me.
あらあらなんで私の名前はチケデ様かわいいねマジかわいいだびっくりしてくれて感じする
Hey there.
Was?
What's up, bro? Can you say ara or something? やめてください maybe?
Ara?
No, voice girl. Not man. Wait,
Was?
don't skip me, bro. Listen me, okay? Listen me.
Okay.
やめてください
なんで Langsung di skip aja. Hi, where you from?
I'm from Germany, and you?
Oh, Germany, yes. I'm from Indonesian.
Very nice.
Yes, but I'm living in Japanese right now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I have job in Japanese. My job, voice acting, voice actor.
Ah, this is really nice.
No.
Daddy? Fuck you, Daddy.
Ey, willst du... Ach so, das sind Japaner. Konnichiwa.
こんにちは
Konnichiwa.
びっくりしてくれて感謝
やめてください。
やめてくださ
Warte,
Hey,
ich will
your
was
voice is very good. So smooth.
Okay, warte, scheiße, verpiss dich.